I am going to explain about Laravel CRUD operation delete from using a form. For that, here this is our student edit. Student ID is 1. From reference from database table, here Laravel basic, then students. The ID 1 is and Here and table details are here. Student table details. I go to edit student blade. Then I open a new form. Then here there should be action and method. Then in action I add student delete. In action I add student delete. Method is post. Then here there are type hidden inputs and also CSRF token should be used. I copy those and paste here. Here this method value is I use as delete because I am going to use delete method. Apart from those, I add a button. Then I add a class to button btn delete btn danger for red color and I name it as delete. After that I go to web, I copy this and paste here. I change this as the method. I change this method as delete. Then URL is student delete. I change this as student delete. Then I create a controller function as delete student. Okay. I go to student controller, copy this update student function, I paste here, then I create delete student function. Then I find this student from ID, then I delete this. After that I can write the student is deleted successfully. Then I open this, there is a delete button, I click this, the student one is deleted successfully. If I am going to the database and students table, my unbound student is deleted. In here, this is a line, this is not nice. Then you can add here or a BR tag and make it nice. I hope you can better understand Laravel CRUD delete operation from using HTML4. Then please subscribe my channel. I will give this kind of valuable videos in future too. Thank you.